So now we're letting our computer here just watching what it's doing. Other than saving the videos we're recording, we haven't done anything to it. It is 3:16 p.m. and it is Tuesday, and it is January 27th, 2015. And we are going to be talking about cellular MSID. So MSID, so you know, it's called the mobile station ID. And a mobile station ID, MSID, is the number that is associated with the home service provider and the wireless phone number. And this is reprogrammed when the user changes home service providers. It can also be changed when you change Verizon or when you change cellular carriers. It's the porting number, and can be the mobile identification number, and is not to be confused with the mobile directory number, MDN, in the CDMA world, which is code division management. And then ultimately, it's the device's telephone number. So the MSID on your phone is the device's telephone number. So, for example, and this is from Wikipedia, a lot of times when you think your phone isn't working, you should check the MSID number and see what it does. And one of the ways you can check is you go to your phone So you go to your phone and you go to the General Settings tab. You slide over to the About, and then you go over to the About up here on top, and then you go slide down. And when you slide down, what you're looking for is right here on the carrier. This is where your carrier settings are. You click it. This is the PRL number, and you click it one more time. ERI number, okay? And this is the NAI number, right? So this is the phone number right here in the beginning of the actual phone. This is my phone number, 415-218-0276. And everything actually goes through VTEX. So right here I can see there's something wrong. But even more so than that, now look at the MSID. It's 415-233-9733. And right when I see that, as we saw here, which is the device's telephone number, the MSID, so it should be the same as the phone number. So I know that somebody else, this number, is controlling the phone numbers and then picking which ones I get and receive. So this is a tutorial on MSID. You can see right there. When you see that, something's wrong. You need to tell your carrier. And here's more information on it. The mobile identification number. And it says the mobile identification number. This is when you're transferring it. Or mobile subscription number is an MSIN identification number. Refers to the 10-digit unique number that the wireless carrier uses to identify a mobile phone, which is the last part of the international mobile subscriber identity, right? The MIN is a number that is uniquely identifies a mobile phone working under TIA standards for cellular and PC technologies. And then it gives some codes. It is also called the MSID mobile station ID number. That's right here. And it says the definition of the mobile identification number is the number that is derived from the 10-digit directory telephone number assigned to a mobile station. So this number right here, the MS mobile station ID, like I showed you, is the same thing as that last page. It's right here, and it should be the same number. And then it says the rules for deriving the MIN from the 10-digit telephone number are given in the IS-95 standard. So the International Standard 95. MIN1 is the first or least significant 24 binary digits of the MIN, and MIN2 is the second part of the MIN. containing the 10 most significant binary digits. And it says MIN1 and the ESN, along with other digital inputs, are used during the authentication process. So these are very important because it helps when you're trying to activate your phone. It helps. You have to have the correct mobile station ID, because otherwise it won't authenticate. So I'm explaining to you guys, unless you have it correct and the same, you're not going to be able to activate. You're going to be on a fake government server. The MSID is used to identify a mobile station. In case of the analogy or analog to cellular, the MIN is used to route the call. In most second-generation systems, temporary numbers are used to the handset, or assigned, to the handset when routing calls as a security precaution. So, basically, what this thing is saying is that if your mobile station number isn't the same, then you are basically, you're not authenticated, and you're also having someone else route your calls. So that is something that you should really, contact your wireless carrier. And one more time to show you how you do it, you bring up your phone, you go over to the version, and in the version you see it goes, or carrier. Where's carrier? Let's see. Right here, it's under carrier, Verizon, and you click it. PRLER, and that's the phone number, 415-218-76. That is usually going to be at your domain, which would be vtex.com. That's wrong. But you see how the carrier has the wrong information right there, the MSID. So I know this phone is being hacked. It's not working correctly, and it's not authenticated. Like I said, it's on a government server. So thank you for paying attention. You can find us on WebJC, Event Review on Twitter, and also today's RG News on Twitter. And also you can find us on Facebook under Internet Event Review with Robin Williams' face on it and Boogie, and on YouTube on WebJC, We the People. Thank you for watching.